So my serial number will be displayed like this: SNO dash hyphen flower bracket open 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 last one also. Okay, it will go like this. If I enter second record 0 0 0 0 0, then 2. That is what I am saying. Okay, any doubts? Okay, now second one. So these are the optional features. Till the time you give all check all the things. Okay, we'll discuss later on. Okay, any doubts still here? Okay, now second. Hmm? Till the time you do it, I'll tell later why these options are there. Okay, so sir ippude cheppedam. So allow reports. What is meant by allow reports? You are creating an object, you are storing the details in that object. Okay, then if you want to report for object యొక్క report అంటే నాకు how many records has been created, how much data is there, how much value is there, what is the maximum amount, what is the minimum amount. Okay, అలా చూసుకోవాలంటే you go with the reports. You can generate the reports. So that's why we'll go with other things. We'll see that in reports and dashboard section. Okay, any doubts still here? Okay, then object classification. So this is nothing but after going with the object, you want to share this records with another person. We'll see this one also in the sharing rule concept. Okay, any doubts still here? Okay, now see here, development status. What is meant by development status? Object ni develop చేస్తున్నాం. Okay, so should I need to click on in development or deployed? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between in development and deployment?
In development,
Yes, someone, Vishal, you are saying something?
you have to select in development
We have to click on in development. Why?
because we are creating.
We are creating. Okay, we are not in unlimited edition. We are in a developer edition. We are in developer edition. So that means we are in production or directly we are in production or. So in production or we don't have an option called in development. Okay, if you click on in development, it won't activate, it won't work at all. Try to do from your end, it won't work. So that's why this is a production or I'll go with a deployed. Okay, directly deployment. Okay, any doubts here? Okay, in unlimited edition you go with the development, in development. Okay, it is nothing but work in progress, but here what is meant by deployed? It is completed, fully completed, you can use it or not. Any doubts here? Okay, next, allow search. Okay, we will see this one later on. Okay, next, add nodes. These two options we'll see later on. Okay, I'm clicking on save. Save cheyalandi amma. Okay, is my object is been created? Is object is created? Okay, so is my user story completed? Why? చదవండి బ్రో, మళ్ళీ చదవండి యూజర్ స్టోరీ. So what is asking? First one, see this one. As a CRM product owner, I want sales representative to gather proposal from customer. Who wants this object? Sales representative wants. Okay, create a new object. Service request. I have created object. And type in again. This object belongs to which application, bro? CG sales application. Okay, so go to your CG sales application. Did you see your object? Did you see your object? Then how the customers, how the sales representative will use this object? You have created your object, but they don't have saw it. వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కడ కనపడట్లేదు. They are not able to see that object. Okay, how they will use that object? Access. Okay, set up. So before this, we will have another concept. There is a concept called tab. You know how to create object? You know how to create object. You have created object. Kani, I have created object, but it is not showing me in Salesforce. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి మీరు ఎక్కడైనా చూసుకోండి మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇట్ వోంట్ షో ఎట్ ఆల్ ఫర్ యూ ఓకే ఐ హావ్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ షోయింగ్ మీ హౌ కెన్ ఐ యూటిలైజ్ దట్ వన్ హౌ కెన్ ఐ యూజ్ దట్ వన్ వాట్ షుడ్ ఐ డూ I need to create a tab. How many tabs are there? 2 types of tabs will be available. What are they? Standard tabs, custom tabs. Standard tabs are nothing but provided by Salesforce. Custom tabs are created by ourselves. Okay. So definition of tab. Tab is nothing but a physical representation of object. Tab is nothing but a physical representation of object. అర్థమైందండి ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనకి కనపడాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలండి ట్యాబ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా ఎనీ డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ I have shoes I want to store that shoes in my house. I can store in bedroom, I can store in kitchen, ఎక్కడైనా స్టోర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కానీ నాకు మళ్ళీ అది దొరుకుతాయండి వెతుకుతున్నా కానీ ఒక్కొక్కసారి దొరకవు అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తా నేను ఒక షూ సెల్ఫ్ కి ఒక కేటగిరీ స్పేస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తా మీరు షూస్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకోండి అని చెప్పి నేను ఒక స్పేస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది నాకు I can go and identify my shoes there itself. I can find easily. Okay. In the same way, if I created a custom object, I need to create tab for it. To place the objects, to see the objects. Right? Ardhamaindandi? So how to create a tab? Now see here. Go to force.com, then go to create, then go to build, then go to create, then tabs. So which tabs you need to create? Custom object. Which tabs we need to create? Custom object tab. So click on new in the custom object tabs. Okay. Click on new. So here, they are asking me to create tab now. I want to create a tab. For which object I need to create a tab? I need to select it. For which object I need to create tab now? For that object I need to select the object. Okay. Go and select the object. Which object? Service request form. Okay. Here, the objects which are showing here will not have tabs. ఏవైతే ట్యాబ్స్ ఉండవో ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ కనపడతాయండి వేరే ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ మీకు కనపడవు ట్యాబ్స్ లేని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ కనపడతాయి ఎనీ డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ those objects which are not having any tabs will be shown here the objects which are having tabs will not be shown here any doubts clear okay select the object for which you want to create a tab any doubts clear okay then tab style you need to select compulsory you need to select any tab style without selecting tab style you won't able to save it any doubts clear adhamaindandi okay now see you description should I need to give or not I need to give the description remember from your side whenever you are creating anything you need to mention your all descriptions meeku edi ochina sir meer telugulo rasina నాకు problem లేదు but you need to give descriptions నేను అది చూస్తా every Saturday I'll check your org every Saturday I'll check your org group I'll check whatever the things you are doing okay any doubts clear okay click on next okay so did I created custom tab I given a name I've selected the